At the Fort Piquette Plant Museum this morning for Cars and Coffee and saw this Ranger Lightning Bolt SVT. So it's a special vehicle, supercharged 5.4 liter V8 from the F-150 Lightning. It has 420 horsepower, torque is 480, 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. Quarter mile, I know you're going to ask, 13.46 at 108 miles per hour. Great wheels. The SVT is the special group at Ford that produces custom cool things like this. Take a regular Ford and plus it with things like this engine. Sorry, it's kind of tight in here. Doing the best I can to give you all the angles. So it's just one of the vehicles here at the Fort Piquette Plant Museum, Cars and Coffee.